Hello everyone, welcome to my digital diaries. Have you ever wondered why AI sometimes make strange decisions? It often not the algorithm that is in fault, but most of the time it's data which is in fault. When numbers in your dataset are on completely different scales, AI can get confused. It's like trying to judge a race where some runner start halfway down the track. In today's episode of AI Dictionary, we are talking about normalization, the process that make all your data to play fair, learn faster and perform better. And trust me, by the end you will see it's not just a maths, it's secret sauce of AI, normalization. Before going further, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing to the channel and click on notification bell. If you like this video, do share this video with your friends and colleagues. Let's start today's episode, normalization. Let's start with what is normalization. Imagine you are judging a cooking competition, but one of the chef uses a giant bucket to measure sugar, the another uses a tiny spoon. It wouldn't be fair, right? In AI it's the same. In AI data comes in different shapes and scale, like age in years, income in thousands, heights in inches or meters, so all in different shapes and scale. Normalization is like giving every shape the same measuring cup, so it will be fair for everyone. So technical language, what is normalization? It is adjusting the numbers so they are all on a fair playing ground, usually between 0 and 1 or -1 and 1. So that way no single feature overpowers the other one. So this is called normalization. Let's see why normalization is used. Think of an AI model as a race. If one runner starts 50 meters ahead of others, he can win the 100-meter race easily, isn't it? It's not because he's a faster, because he had an unfair advantage. So without normalization, large value can start dominating the smaller values, and that is unfair. So here comes the normalization process. Normalization is a process where we bring everyone on the same starting line. This means AI learns faster and more accurate and without bias. So that's the reason why normalization is used. Now let us see where the normalization is used, use cases of normalization. Normalization is not just a theory, it is everywhere. So if you talk about the image processing, it shrinks pixel values from 0 to 250 pi to a neat 0 to 1 so that the brightness doesn't overwhelm the details. If you talk about the speech recognition, in speech recognition it evens out loud and quiet voices so that AI can recognize both the voices, loud as well as the quiet. In finance, it scales stock prices so the pattern matters more than a big number. If we talk about the healthcare, it makes blood pressure, sugar level and heart rate comparable to across the patients. It is like invisible equalizer keeping AI fair and focused. Let's see few are the normalization techniques. Like any good craft, normalization has a tools for every job. Let's see few normalization technique. First is the min-max normalization. In this normalization technique, it squeezes data into a fixed range like 0 to 1. The next one is a Z-score normalization. In this, it centers the numbers around 0, so distance matters equally. Third one is a decimal scaling. So it moves the decimal point to tame big numbers. Fourth one, unit vector normalization. It's perfect for comparing text and images by direction, not by the size. The last one is a robust scaler, which handles wide outliners by focusing on median. Choosing the right one is like picking the right tool from the toolbox. It all depends on your test and the job. So these are the few normalization techniques: min-max normalization, z-score normalization, decimal scaling, unit vector normalization, and robust scalars. Let's talk about the importance of normalization in AI. Cooking in a messy kitchen takes longer, it wastes energy and leads to a mistake. Training AI without normalization is similar to that. It is messy, slow, and less accurate. With normalization, data is clean, balanced, and ready for action. So when you apply the normalization, it boosts accuracy. It prevents bias. It speeds up the learning of AI, and there are few algorithms like KNN, SVN, or neural network which works better when you apply normalization. So in short, normalization is the secret recipe for fair, fast, and effective AI. That's it. This was Normalization, episode 2 of our AI Dictionary series. If you want to know more about normalization, let me know that in the comment. If you found this video helpful, then do share this video with someone who is learning AI. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss the next episode. Thank you.